Before we get started, click that subscribe button, share notifications, give me a huge thumbs up. Today we are making slime with toys in it. We have got the mini fingerlings, we've got Shopkins, we've got little Hatchimals and Shopkins. And yep, that's
so we're gonna make 3 different types of slime. One of them's gonna have fingerlings.
I'm gonna make the fingerling.
Okay, and we'll make the Shopkins and the Hatchimals.
And we've got some buddies here in Olivia's, or up there watching.
Yep, they're watching us make the slime.
I'm making blue.
What do we do first? We pour in the glue, right?
Yes.
Okay, so I'll help Madison pour her glue in, and then I'll help you pour yours in, okay, Trin?
I'm doing the fingerling one.
Okay, so we'll put those in after we make the slime. So Trinity's making clear glue slime.
And you guys, I'm gonna get stirring.
You're gonna stir? Okay. And Madison and I are gonna make white glue slime.
That looks like jelly.
Do you wanna make this whole bottle work?
Guys, this reminds me of snow.
It does.
See the white? It's kind of like snow. It kind of reminds me of yogurt.
Oh, look at those big bubbles.
I'm getting stirred with
Okay,
this.
can you stir it?
Yeah. Look at the That's enough for now, but now I've got to go get my lid.
Mine needs more. Look how pretty that looks, Trin.
It looks maroon more than purple. Olivia, look at mine. It's starting to turn pink.
Wow, that looks awesome, Madison. Good job.
Starting. Beautiful. Oh no, my cat's gonna fall. She's slipping. Ah! Just kidding.
Oh no, don't let her fall in.
We'll have to get her at the end.
Okay, so we have a pink and a purple slime.
Or maybe because it's clear still, is because we haven't put the activator in yet.
Maybe. That's probably why.
And I
Okay, you ready for some of
having
this?
the kitties. Because I love kitties.
Okay, just a little at a time. Stir that all in really good. With clear slime, you have to just do a little activator at a time. Otherwise, it gets hard like that last time we made slime.
There we go. Oh, it looks like frog slime. Ew. Trin, you're just so cute.
Yeah, Trin, you're just so cute.
It looks like a tree. It looks like a tree. 2 tree branches.
Really?
Look, it's a Jello cave. I love it.
I would want to go there.
It's full of candy and Jello.
It is?
Yeah.
That sounds amazing.
I want to go there. Here's all your candy and Jello for your delivery in this bucket. It's so hard. Mine's looking really oopsie.
Be careful, Madison.
Mine's so hard. Yeah. It just keeps slipping. It's slippery slime again. That's what we should call it. Slippery slime. Slippery slime. Slippery slime. How about slippery goo? Olivia, I'm touching it, but it's so gooey. Olivia, I just touched it and it's so gooey.
It is gooey.
Yeah.
You're blowing it off your fingers.
No. Get all of it off my hands. No, please don't fall.
Alright guys, we're back and we mixed up this nice purple slime and the pink one. So I'm going to put the pink one on the table
Guys,
now.
look at this.
Madison made a little bowl.
Fluid. What? Hey, that's what I did on my birthday. What? Hey, didn't we forget something?
Well, now we're going to put our animals in.
Yeah, I know the monkeys, okay?
Okay, let's get them.
Guys, what is your favorite toy? Shopkins, Hatchimals, or FingerLings? because we're using all of those. Tell me down in the comments.
So now we're gonna put the Shopkins and the Hatchimals in the pink slime. Oh look, they're mixing.
No.
It's okay. Okay, so in the bowl, we're mixing the Hatchimals and the Shopkins.
We're mixing the slime.
And now we have a surprise, which I don't know where it went.
Hey! More fingerlings!
And there are more fingerlings to put in.
Get the
Just go like this, Madison.
I want to open them.
On the slime.
Let's open them. Open them. This is a good idea. Can we get a duplicate? I don't know. I got an orange one to put in here. Hey, we got a duplicate. I got that one. We have it. Do we have this one? I don't think so.
I don't think so. We got two new ones. All right, Madison, are you ready to open yours?
And it also comes with a bracelet.
Put it in the slime.
Okay. It's adorable. So it comes with these. It comes with the ring.
Why don't you put them in the slime with the fingerlings?
It's a fingerling. So let's see which one I got.
Let's put the bracelets and the ring in with it.
Do we have this one on here?
Elsa.
Is that really Elsa?
Mm-hmm.
Well, we got the ultra rare, which is this one.
I think that's the one that Madison just got. It's purple.
The ultra rare is pink.
No.
And we haven't got one of the mysteries yet. But we did not get one of the mysteries, Madison. Oh yeah. These. They're making their own swirl cage. Oh, I'm gonna go wash my hands. It's a cage.
Here, put some of this.
Look, it's a cage. Oh, that is such a pretty color. So this is your slime.
This is the mixture.
So that is your slime. You're gonna put as many as you want in there. I can put some animals in mine if I want.
I think you can put as many as you want in there.
I'm gonna put the little churny heads. See, churny head. It's a churny head.
Yeah.
See?
His head turns, yeah.
But I really don't want to get the churny heads like ruined. I don't want to get slime inside of here. So maybe we won't. Is there any more churny heads? I don't want them to go in the... I don't want it to go off the edge. Let's roll it up. Let's put all the little animals.
So I mixed the pink and the purple together.
I don't want these animals.
Cool slime.
I don't want these animals. You can have them.
Let's put them in the pink.
And I'm getting this little animal, and yeah, I'm just taking every single animal.
All right.
We're gonna try and lift this whole thing up.
What's in there, Tren?
Fingerlings.
You got fingerlings?
Fingerlings and Hatchimals.
Both? Oh my goodness.
And this one has got Shopkins.
It's so nice. I wish you were in this video, Dad.
That'd be so awesome.
Alright guys, well that's the end of the video, but before you go, make sure to comment below and tell us which slime was your favorite. The clear purple, the pink and purple mixed, or the pink.
Before you leave, we're going to do some questions.
Madison, we just did the questions.
Okay. And which one of these toy slimes was your favorite? The Shopkins, the monkey, or the Hatchimals? You gotta try my purple and I my pink. Oh,
Are you guys gonna try out making your own Hatchimals or fingerlings or Shopkins slime?
Well guys, I hope you like watching this video. Make sure to give me a huge thumbs up, subscribe button, turn notifications. Give me a huge thumbs up again. Bye!